Today, we're going to be talking about IREN because this is at one of the best opportunities to be buying that we have had in the past year. We're going to be talking about how this is setting up, where I think it's headed in the next couple of months, and how my trading system is telling me what to do. The first thing that we're going to take a look at is the monthly time frame or our long-term model. The first thing that I want to do when I'm looking at a trade setup is to know what the monthly or the longer term chart is telling me, because if there is monthly buying pressure, if the monthly trend is currently bullish, then I know I can basically do anything in the short term and make money. Now, this model very simply looks to go long when the monthly BX is showing buying pressure, so it's increasing, and then it looks to exit when the monthly BX trender turns dark red. So you will see that the monthly BX trender actually increased during the month of May of 2025. And then our long-term model would have entered a long position June 1st of 2025. At the highs, the model or the long-term strategy would have been up about 818%. And as of today, it would still be holding and up about 400%. Now, this model is not perfect, right? In most cases, we have about a 50% win rate. There's only been 4 instances of this happening on IREN, but even if we look at something with a 20 to 30 year period, such as SPY, normally it still holds around that 43% win rate. Now, the thing that we have to also remember is that the average span of a bull cycle is close to about 5 months to about 7 months. And we know that looking at IREN, we have been in a bull cycle since June 1st of 2025, coming up on about 8 to 9 months. So from a pure statistical standpoint, there is a higher chance that this bull cycle could be ending. But because this monthly is still showing buying pressure, I am still bullish. The first step of the system is still bullish. Now, the second thing that makes me bullish is the fact that the trend or the bias is still green. I want you to realize here as well that basically for the first time all the way back since July of 2025, we are trading at a discount. If you were buying this stock between November, October, even to as recent as January, you were not getting a discount, right? You were overpaying even though the monthly BX trender was showing buying pressure. So even though I'm a little bit worried that this cycle could be coming to an end, where IREN is trading right now is at one of the most optimal times we have to trade it that we have really gotten in the past 12 months, right? It would have been ideal to be a buyer down here, but basically this is the best time you would be able to get in since September of 2025. And so at this point, I think there's a really good chance that we are going to bounce between $40 to about $33. I think that there is a really good chance that in the next 3 to 6 months, price is going to bounce from this support level and break out up to $60 or $70. Now, let's talk about worst case scenario and when I would remove my bullish thesis, because even though we want everything to work out, we know that historically we only have a 60% win rate, sometimes as high as 65%. If price continues to break this support, and if this monthly BX trender for the month of February or March closes dark red, we will remove our thesis. Because if that occurs, then there is a very high chance that this type of situation is happening, where the monthly BX is showing sellers, we will continue to break support, and the stock will continue to drain. So I am bullish now for the next couple of weeks. If that monthly BX starts to close dark red and confirms, I will remove my bullish thesis. But until then, things are looking very good. If you guys want access to all of our indicators and the strategy that we use, the link to all of them will be in the description at the bottom of that course library page. There's over 27,000 people who have taken and deployed our trading strategy, and it is truly free.